What's going on YouTube? Today I'm going to be installing two LED license plate bulbs in a 2003 Trailblazer. Alright, as you can tell, you have one bulb here. You've got two Phillips head screws. Another one right here. I'm going to go ahead and remove the lens of both and I'm going to install the bulbs. Alright, as you can tell, still got the factory bulb in this one. I'm going to go ahead and pull the other one out. Once the lens covers are off, just reach in there and grab the bulb. And they'll slide right out. As you can tell, both of them are blown. Now I'm going to go ahead and remove these LEDs. I'll go ahead and install this one. This slides right in. Now if the bulb does not come on, you might have to flip the bulb around for the correct polarity. Okay, as you can tell, this LED one's on. Come over here. This one is not. I'm gonna have to flip this one around. Make sure the little barb is facing down on the outside. As you can tell, that one just came on. Okay, so when you're installing these, make sure the flat part up top is facing up. So it will go straight in like this. And go ahead and put your screws back in on both sides. Both of the covers are on. It's got plenty of clearance. And when they get started tonight, I'll let you see them. Alright, this is what it looks like with the LEDs installed.